Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. It's been a while since I've posted on this channel. A couple of things happened. I decided to just take a break. Let me focus on one strategy, one model, and then get ready for the new year. So at least, just follow one thing for this new year and, try and get funded and all. It has really been a rough 2 months that I haven't posted, but alhamdulillah. So let's get straight into it, right? So as you can see, we have the month of December forming this. We close above, right? We closed above the previous month, right? So now January, what am I looking for? January, okay. One thing that I've noticed is that we have a retracement profile in play. Now, what are the criteria of a retracement profile? We need SMT, we need price takeout and ERL, we need short-term drawn liquidity, and then we need lower time frame confirmation. Now, this retracement could happen anywhere, and being the first month of the year and the first and the new year, so I was expecting some sort of retracement to the downside before we move higher, right? And if you check GU, you would see that GU already took out the previous month's high. So we have SMT, we have price taking out an ERL, which is an SMT on EU, right? Now you need lower time frame confirmation, and we have it right here. The daily time frame, we have a lot of lower time frame confirmations. Now, number two is we need a short-term draw liquidity. Now, if you look at the weekly time frame, you will see that we have a dealing range right here. We have a dealing range, and we have a key level, which is this weekly bullish order block, right? Bullish order block. Yeah, we have that order block. So that's my short-term drawn liquidity. So we have everything already. So I was trading to the downside last week, and I got two trades. Yeah, I got two trades, and then one I completely fucked up because I FOMO'd in. The last trade I took, I FOMO'd in, and I shouldn't have. I did not follow my model at all, and that's something that I'm still beating myself up for it because I made a mistake there. So as you can see, this is the range that we're working with right here. That's the range that is sponsoring this retracement to the downside. As you can see on the daily time frame, we have this range. So let me mark the weekly key level again. I think this is it. Yeah, the daily time frame. So as you can see, you can further refine it to this other block right here. Now as you can see, this other block reacted from it and moved higher. So I'm looking at this level to actually be the point where price will move higher from next week, right? Or if it doesn't do that, then it could want to take out the previous month's low, which is it could be this low right here. It could move deeper to say you want to take out this low, and then move higher from there. Yeah, so that's just really what happened last month and last week. So let's go down to the 4 hours time frame to let me show you my thought process. So we had this moving into the week, we had this fair value gap, right? So I was like, oh, price could react from there to give us a reaction, right, on the daily time frame, and then we had these other blocks on the daily time frame, so that would give us a reaction, right? Now on the 4 hours time frame, I was waiting for a 4 hours market structure shift to confirm this this daily time frame key level wants to push price higher, but it did not happen on Monday. It didn't give us that shift on Monday, so I decided to sell. Right now, what are my criteria for selling? I need a 4 hours daily range, which we had this 4 hours daily range, right? I need a 4 hours key level, which is this 4 hours order block, right? And then I need to purge during the key time or SMT or something like that, So during London session on Tuesday, price took out the 9 a.m. high. So took out this 1 a.m. high during key time by 3 o'clock, and then gave us another one, and I targeted 3R. I'm always looking for 3R, so this was a high probability trade for me. Then the same day, this was my target, right? Since we had this daily range expansion swing, so I was looking at this low to be my target, right? Okay. Then during 5 a.m., nothing happened. Then 9 a.m., we had a sweep. We had a sweep of the 9 a.m. of the 5 a.m. candle during key time. Gave us more than one entry. Now, let's go down to the 15 minutes to show you. There's something I want to show you right here, right? So this, what happened here was at first I used the 3 candles right here, right? And then I put my entry here, then I put my SL here, but we got stopped out at first. Then I refined my entry. I entered again here, and then I did this, and it gave me my 3R. So that was a 2R. That was 2R. So I ended the week with 5R, right? And then the next trade was this, I think, on Friday. No, on Thursday. Sorry, it was on Thursday. I thought price wanted to complete. I completed this daily CRT. I thought price completed this daily CRT, so I thought, okay, we were going to move higher from there. It's going to give us a retracement. The price never did that, and I got stopped out today. So that is basically what happened last week. Now moving into this week, what am I looking at? As you can see, we still have our weekly key level, right? And then this is a low that I want price to come to complete, take this low and then move. It was a retracement at first. It was a retracement, and